Welcome to 3607 Noble Drive, located less than a 10-minute walk from downtown Dexter and only a 10-minute car ride from Ann Arbor. Built in 2000, this 3-bed, 2.5-bath, walkout 2-story home offers over 1,500 square feet of space. At the rear of the house, you'll find a private fence yard with a new composite deck. A rain catch gutter system has been installed here as well. Banks and grocery stores are within walking distance, and the home itself features a freshly painted interior, completing this home's clean look. Join us while we tour this great home. Thanks for visiting 3607 Noble Drive. The nearby city of Dexter has a lot to offer. There are some great restaurants doing exciting things every week, as well as the opportunity to enjoy professional musical theater performances at the Encore Theater Company. Beyond the arts, Dexter takes full advantage of its close proximity to some of the county's best parks and recreational areas. You'll find gorgeous Mill Creek Park on the northwest side of town, offering up great sunset views, and the all-new Border to Border Trail, which runs over 30 miles in total, connecting downtown directly to the Metro Park system through a series of lovely trails and boardwalks.